Steve, a fairly amazing piece of artwork that's been produced.
Yeah, I mean, Eamon does. All the stuff that he does is pretty amazing. And when I first got told that he was doing a replica of Dad's helmet, which really was the helmet that he used in his last few races. I mean, that's the same design that he used, but the actual helmet to have that, I guess an artwork piece is very cool. And I knew it'd turn out, as I guess an artist's impression of what his helmet is, and sort of all in 3D and with what he's done in the past with the Formula 1 cars and Mick Doohan's bike, which is all hung up in pieces. I knew it was going to be something really special, and it's turned out awesome. So it's, even down to the detail of where the little bits of pinstriping are not quite lined up anymore, or where they've been rubbed off, it reflected on this helmet. It's great.
And for it to become a permanent part of an exhibition in Ipswich in Queensland is also a fairly special thing.
Yeah, it is, and it's great because at the end of the day, it's where Dad really first started his motor racing career. Ipswich and up at Lakeside. So I guess to have a piece in there, sort of commemorating him and what he's done is. It's very humbling, not only for him but for the whole family, and we really appreciate the time and effort that's gone in this, and I guess the reason for it being up there, which hopefully a lot of people get in to have a look at it, and it brings back a few memories. And
from a family perspective, it holds a fairly special place, given that your father and yourself raced at Bathurst together.
Yeah,
wearing that helmet.
Yeah, it does, and going back to Dad was never one for helmet designs and that sort of thing, so. I actually designed the helmet for him, and then from there on, obviously I didn't paint it, but I did the design, and they painted it up for him, and he used it ever since. So I guess that in that regard too, it's fairly special, and fairly close to the family as well. And I guess it commemorates the Sunshine State with Queensland, with the sun and etc. So it's fitting for it was fitting for him at the time, and it still is.
And this weekend, yourself back into the V8 Supercars Championship, currently sitting 12th. Fairly mixed start to the season. What are your hopes over at Barbagallo?
Well, I was just looking at the results there last year, and they were pretty good, qualifying in the races. So we're hoping to kickstart our year off, over there. We've had a pretty, okay start to the year. We've struggled at times, and we've certainly made some ground in the last few rounds, and we just need to keep working hard. We've had a massive expansion with 4 cars, and everything's certainly taken a fairly big change from last year to this year. Same with personnel, but slowly getting, I guess, our hand and our grip on all that, and we just need to keep the pressure on and get the cars back up front where they should be, and hopefully we can put in a good show for all our sponsors over at Perth this weekend.
And a few changes at Barbagallo as well that will change things around with the circuit design and so on. What do you know about that, and what are your thoughts on that?
Yeah, it's just a matter of getting over there and having a look. Dean Fiore's been over there. He lives there, so he's been out and had a look at it. He said it's fantastic. So let's hope that the new pit facility is really good for us. The track hasn't changed actually, from last year to this year, but certainly the pit facility is a lot different now on the inside of the track. So we just need to get over there, check it out. I'm going over a day early and to have a look at that amongst other PR engagements, and hopefully we can have a good solid weekend for not only myself but all 4 cars.
Cool.